Hi, welcome back to Happy Baby. Today's DIY video is to see how effective a DIY baby wipe container is in making my baby stimulated and entertained. There are several variations of this toy on the internet, and some use materials such as yarn, scraps of fabric, straws, pipe cleaners, or socks. I use pieces of yarn since I have plenty at home, and I also included a few ribbons and trims. When I noticed my baby starting pulling strings and tags from pillows or clothes with so much interest and focus, I knew I had to try creating this toy activity to see if it's really going to work on my baby and would keep her entertained and stimulated. Also, I used a wipe packet instead of a container since it's the only kind I have at home. This DIY activity was very easy to make. After cutting the yarn, ribbons, and trims into different lengths, I stuffed them in the pocket. I cut the yarn into various lengths so she can pull out those shorter ones easily, and I also wanted to test her concentration and focus pulling out the longer yarn. Then I taped the toy onto my baby's activity center to avoid the hassle of constantly picking it up if she drops it. She drops things she's holding in seconds all the time, so the tape kept it in place. After creating this toy and observing my baby playing, here are my 3 conclusions. First, because I put the toy in the activity center along with other toys, it was clear that her attention was focused on those toys instead of the wipe packet. I thought she just didn't know how the toy works, so I showed and helped her how to pull the yarn out. But the result was the same. Her focus was on the other toys. Second, even after I removed the other toys, she started paying attention to the blue tape holding the packet down rather than the packet itself. I think this is because of the bright blue color of the tape. I suggest you use a more neutral color and see if it works better. And lastly, my baby preferred to close and open the lid rather than pull anything out from the packet. She did pull some threads out only after a long time and when she got bored playing with the lid. Overall, this toy can be considered as a failure, at least in my experience. It might not be the same for you, so give it a try with different materials to see if your baby will be more interested. And let me know how it goes. That's it for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY toys and activities to make a happy baby. Happy crafting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!